immediately work on that and immediately release their Gemini and all of the AI technologies. And the next questions you asked about who is your most favorite person. So for this, I want to say she is my mother. Okay, because I love her so much because she gives me birth.
Yeah.
First thing. Okay, and the next thing I want to say about her that she helps me in everything. The favorite example of mine is if anything I want to purchase, I always go to my mother and ask her to please, I want to buy this dress or anything, and she convinced my father because I mostly don't talk with my father. That's why I did it.
Okay, that's really amazing. Wow, mashallah. That's outstanding. And now I'm going to invite, please, you have a seat. What's your name?
Is not a work for the stadium, and some of the points I want to share that there's no lighting in our stadium, and the football team of our stadium was also disbanded. Okay, so and they are using a stadium for like and their government work and like for public speaking programs by the खंडर हाँ उसको उसको क्या बोलेंगे जैसे
स्टेडियम खंडर होता जा रहा है.
हाँ हाँ ये कहना चाह रहे हैं जैसे कि
Although it's getting worse day by day.
day by day. So stadium is getting worse day by day, and our municipality is not work for the stadium. And some of the points I want to share that there is no lighting in our stadium, and the football team of our stadium was also disbanded. Okay, so and. They are using a stadium for like and their government work and like for public speaking programs by the governments by the politicians of our town. So I think this is the big issue that we have to aware to the public of Kishunganj, so they can talk about this issue, because we don't have any other places like Sakullah Khan Stadium in our town to do walking, jogging, exercise, or for our children, for our small brothers and sisters, where they can go or play and do some